Hello there, fellow explorers. Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to start on an amazing adventure into the realm of environmentally friendly and sustainable outdoor gear. You've come to the correct place if you're passionate about exploring the great outdoors while minimizing your environmental impact. As more people become conscious of the environmental impact of traditional camping equipment, manufacturers are reacting with a variety of eco-friendly and sustainable alternatives. Camping gear is going green, from solar-powered alternatives to eco-friendly reusable cutlery, so in this video, we'll cover some of the next-level camping gears and gadgets that are eco-friendly and sustainable. So, let us delve into the amazing world of outdoor gear created with Mother Earth in mind, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. TO Wear Bamboo Utensils. TO Wear Bamboo Utensils are a fantastic addition to any camping trip, offering eco-friendliness and sustainability while providing essential utensils for dining. These utensils are washable and reusable, replacing countless single-use utensils that can contribute to pollution and waste in the environment. The set includes a fork, spoon, and knife. Chopsticks and even a straw make it a versatile option for all your dining needs. While utensils are made of bamboo, the utensils are both eco-friendly and sustainable. Bamboo is a highly renewable resource that grows quickly and requires minimal resources to produce. Furthermore, bamboo is heat and stain resistant, ensuring that your utensils won't impart or absorb flavors that can alter the taste of your food. In summary, TO Wear Bamboo Utensils are an excellent choice for eco-conscious campers who want to minimize their environmental impact while enjoying their camping trip. Luminate Packlight Max. Illuminate your next camping trip with the Luminate Packlight Max, a sustainable and eco-friendly lantern. Imagine yourself sitting around the campfire enjoying a warm meal and sharing stories with friends, but as the night grows darker, this solar rechargeable lantern comes to life. With a maximum brightness of 150 lumens, it can easily illuminate a family-sized tent and its surrounding area, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. It is equipped with a 2000 mAh battery that can run for up to 50 hours, making it a reliable source of light during camping trips. This lantern's solar panel allows you to recharge the battery during the day, making it a sustainable and eco-friendly source of light for your camping trips. Not only is it versatile and reliable, but it also helps you minimize your impact on the environment. Additionally, the lantern's solar panels can charge phones, headlamps, cameras, and even top up your tablet, so whether you're planning a weekend getaway or an extended camping trip, the Luminate Packlight Max is a must-have for a sustainable and enjoyable adventure. BioLite Solar Panel 10 Plus. The BioLite Solar Panel 10 Plus is the ultimate solution for eco-friendly and sustainable power during camping trips. With 10 watts of usable electricity, it can power up tablets, phones, and other gear. What sets the BioLite Solar Panel 10 Plus apart is its optimal sun system, featuring an integrated sundial that aligns you with the sun to capture direct rays, while its 360-degree kickstand simplifies positioning on even terrain. This smart design ensures that you always have access to clean energy no matter where you are camping. The folding design of the BioLite Solar Panel 10 Plus makes it incredibly easy to pack and take with you on any adventure. With its integrated 3000 mAh onboard battery, you can use energy in real time or store it for later use. Weighing less than 20 ounces, it won't weigh down your backpack. The FireKorf. The FireKorf portable fire pit for camping not only offers a convenient way to enjoy a campfire but is also an eco-friendly option made of high-quality stainless steel. The FireKorf is durable and rust-resistant, ensuring long-term usage and eliminating the need for single-use fire pits, reducing waste and pollution. Additionally, the foldable design makes it easy to transport and pack, which reduces the need for excess packing materials and limits carbon emissions during transportation. As you sit around the fire roasting marshmallows and sharing stories with your fellow campers, you can't help but marvel at the beauty of the flames and the warmth they provide. You feel a sense of responsibility and pride knowing that you're able to enjoy a memorable camping trip without leaving any harmful impact on the environment. Stojo Collapsible Bowl. The Stojo Collapsible Bowl is a game changer for anyone seeking an eco-friendly and sustainable dining experience while camping. Constructed from food-grade silicone, the bowl is LFGB certified, ensuring that it meets the stringent European safety standards for food and beverage containers. This means that you can safely use it for your favorite hot or cold foods and drinks without any concerns about harmful chemicals or toxins. The Stojo Collapsible Bowl comes in 2 different sizes, 36 and 24 ounces, making it perfect for individual or group camping trips. The collapsible design allows for easy storage and transportation, making it an ideal choice for campers looking to save space. Additionally, the clasps provide a leak-proof seal, preventing any spills or messes during transportation. This feature is especially helpful during outdoor activities where spills can attract unwanted pests and wildlife. In conclusion, the Stojo Collapsible Bowl is a highly practical and eco-friendly option for campers looking to minimize their environmental footprint. UCO Stormproof Sweet Fire. The UCO Stormproof Sweet Fire is a must-have for any eco-conscious camper. This emergency fire starter is not only versatile but it's also environmentally friendly, making it perfect for campers. Made from the gas, a byproduct of sugarcane, and infused with vegetable wax, these match points are not only sustainable but also provide up to 7 minutes of burn time with 20 match points in each box. You will be prepared for any situation that requires a quick and reliable flame, plus the strikeable tip eliminates the need for additional matches or lighters, so not only will you be able to enjoy a warm and cozy fire during your camping trip, but you can do it with peace of mind knowing that you're making a sustainable choice with the UCO Stormproof Sweet Fire. TRS Volt Solar Charger. TRS Volt Solar Charger is an excellent self-sustainable power source that is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who want to stay connected while on the go. What makes this charger stand out from others is its eco-friendliness, as it is powered by 4 powerful solar panels that keep its 8,000 mAh battery fully charged in the sun. This means that you can charge your devices while enjoying the great outdoors without having to rely on traditional power sources that are not environmentally friendly. It also has detachable solar panels that offer maximum versatility and multiple USB ports that allow you to charge multiple devices at once. This makes it a convenient and efficient way to keep your devices charged while on the go. The chunky battery pack is capable of fully charging 2 to 3 smartphones, which is great for prolonged camping trips. Additionally, TRS Volt Solar Charger is lightweight, weighing in at only 12 ounces. This minimizes the carrying hassle, making it easy to bring along on your camping trips. Thank you for joining us on our environmentally conscious journey through the world of sustainable outdoor gear. Remember that every decision we make, even during our outdoor experiences, has an impact on the environment. We're not simply improving our outdoor experiences by choosing eco-friendly gear, we're also actively contributing to the preservation of our wonderful planet. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your other environment lovers, and remember to subscribe for more fun eco-friendly adventures. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for upcoming updates. Also give this video a thumbs and share it with your eco-friendly fellow explorer. Until next time, keep exploring, appreciating, and stepping softly on our amazing planet. Happy and long-lasting adventures!